impact of British rule in India. Divide and rule policy was implemented by British. British employed war and negotiation methods in order to achieve complete domination in India. Civil services in India was implemented by Lord Cornwallis. Regulating Act was introduced in the year 1773. In 1800, Fort William College in Calcutta was opened by Lord Cornwallis. Universities in Calcutta, Bombay and Madras were established by Lord Dalhousie. System of appointing civil servants through competitive examination was begun in 1853. Who argued all natives of Hindustan are completely corrupt? Lord Cornwallis. Lord Cornwallis opened Fort William College in Calcutta for benefit of people aspiring to join civil services. Warren Hastings became the governor in 1772. Diwani Adalat is civil court. Fauzdari Adalat is criminal court. Diwani Adalat in civil court was introduced by Warren Hastings. Efficient police system in India was created by Lord Cornwallis. Post of Superintendent of Police was created by Lord Cornwallis. Military system was redesigned as per Peel's Commission. Governor General responsible for expansion of modern education in India, Lord William Bentinck. In 1792, Sanskrit College in Banaras was started by Jonathan Dinkin. British who pressed for universalization of British education in India, Charles Grant. Macaulay was appointed as member of Governor's Executive Committee by Lord William Bentinck. A report on modern education was submitted by Macaulay in year 1835. The suggestion of Charles Wood was accepted in the year 1854. Opposition to British rule in Karnataka. First Anglo-Mysore War took place between Hyder Ali and British. Kittur Rani Chennamma adopted a boy named Shivalingappa. The follower of Rani Chennamma of Kittur belonged to Sangoli. Surapura is present district of Yadgir. Vedas of Halgali of Belgaum district rebelled against British because British banned usage of weapons. Amarsulya rebellion was basically a farmers' rebellion. This century is called Century of Political Problems, 18th century. He was known for his innovations in arms usage. Hyder Ali. First Anglo-Mysore War ended in 1769 by the Treaty of Madras. Hyder Ali was defeated by British in battle held at Port Nova. The Second Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty of Mangalore in 1784. In Third Anglo-Mysore War, Tipu was defeated by Lord Dalhousie. Tipu had to surrender two of his sons as hostage as per the Treaty of Srirangapatna. Tipu was defeated in Fourth Anglo-Mysore War by Lord Wellesley. The rebellion against British at Bindur and Shikaripura in 1800 is Dhoondia Wagh. Dhoondia was called a Wagh, a tiger, because he was very brave. Kittur Rani Chennamma opposed British because Chennamma was not permitted to adopt a son. British attacked Kittur again under the leadership of Colonel Deck. British shifted Chennamma to Kusungal prison from Bailahangalam prison because Rayana was being instigated by Rani Chennamma. A freedom fighter of Surapura died during the revolt of 1857 was Venkatappa Nayaka.